Hi everyone, this is Fawaz. Welcome to SharePoint World. Today I will show you how we can connect Power Automate to our Copilot agent. In this use case, we have an employee agent. Our goal is to insert an employee name from Copilot into SharePoint list. So here I pick the SharePoint list as an employee. So we can see how we can do this using Power Automate. So here we can see how we can pass the name from Copilot to our Power Automate, and from there we are inserting into our SharePoint list. Let us start. First, let me create one topic. So I'm just selecting topic. I will choose from blank. Let me give some description for this topic. So let me give like this tool can handle queries like add employee name. Let me give the same title as well. Okay, now we can configure one question. So let me add one question here. Ask a question. So we'll select, simply we can put name. Let me select this one as you send a response, and let me change the variable name to be var name. In this variable, the name will get stored. So now the actual thing, how we can connect to our Power Automate. So to connect to Power Automate, here you can see we can click on add node option. Once you selected that, here you can see add an action. So from here you can select new agent flow. So if you click here, let me save before that. Okay, now let me add the Power Automate new agent flow. So here we can add the input because we need to pass our name from Copilot to Power Automate. So here you can see the trigger. Whenever we select the trigger is showing like when an agent calls the flow. So let me select the text. Let me give name. Okay. Now we want to insert the data into our SharePoint list. So let me select the action create item. We'll select our SharePoint site. So in my case, it is employee prod. From here, I will select the list name employee. Now let me pass the parameter here. So if you can see title, we have to pass from this input. So that is name. So let me select this one. Now we no need to pass anything to our agent. So I'm just not doing anything here. So let me save this, publish this one. Now we'll go back to our agent. So this is our flow. Let me change the flow name as well. Let me click here. We can put like add employee flow. Just I will put Copilot just for no way. Let me save this one. Now we can go to our agent. So let me select the agent, employee, add employee name. Here we can add again the action. So from here we can select our flow, add employee flow. So once we select that, here you can see the parameter which we given the we have to provide here as well. So let me pass the name from here, variable name. So now you can see the flow is get added here. Also let me just end this conversation as well. And before that, let me give one success message so we can see it is added. So we can put like successfully. Now let me end this conversation. We'll see. Let me save this one. Try to trigger this one. So let me put the trigger condition and employee name. So the topic is triggered. We got the question. So let me respond. John. So here we are getting the message permission part. So this we can solve by we can give the connection in the Power Automate itself. So no need to go with individual connect. So let me go to our Power Automate. So this is our flow. So let me select this flow. So here we can select the run only user. So just select this one. Here we can change to our connection. Let me save this one. So let me go to our Copilot again. Let us try again. So let me refresh this one, retry. Add employee name. The topic get triggered. We got the question. Will respond as Matt. I'm just putting one name here. So now we got the success message added successfully. Now we'll see in our table. So once we refresh, here you can see the name Matt.